Thank you, Jordan. British gymnast Tyesha Mattis looks set to represent Jamaica at the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham this summer after the 23-year-old's application to be a naturalized Jamaican was granted.
Born in the UK to a Jamaican father, 23-year-old Tyesha Mattis is a 2014 English all-round champion who is now looking to represent Jamaica at the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham this summer, as well as the Pan American Championships next month. The addition of Tyesha and sister China Mattis will be a welcomed one for the Jamaica Amateur Gymnastics Association. But President Nicole Grant Brown says in order to do so, they must go through the rigors as all other gymnasts.
They apply to be a part of the team, and like everyone else, every gymnast, whether local or international, once they are Jamaican, whether by birth or by naturalization, they are members of the team once they fit the criteria. And they fit the criteria. They're not here to replace anyone. They're here because they fit the criteria to make the national team.
When we visited the local training center on Monday, Tyesha revealed that she was a step closer to representing Jamaica.
Well, this morning I went to collect my citizenship for Jamaica, so it can help me represent Jamaica and be on the team.
It's also the first time in Jamaica for Mattis, who has been training here for the last week.
Well, the only thing I was a bit nervous about was trying out the new equipment here, but my first day in the training, I just kept my mind focused on my gymnastics and don't let any new equipment throw me off, and I just go in there and do what I know I can do.
And it's a blessing for Jaga to have both ladies looking to represent the country.
We both push each other. I push her one day, she pushes me the other if I'm having a lazy day.
Up to Tuesday afternoon, both the gymnasts were awaiting their Jamaican passport, after which they will apply for a license to compete in FIG competitions for Jamaica. Renardo Brown for TVJ Sports.